Okay, so we ended up fitting out this piece over here without actually taking these out. This is a slightly different steering wheel than some steering wheels out there, because this one actually has a cover over here. And this actually blocks a screw which lets you take these out. And the proper way to do it, official way is to do it, just to pull these two things out so that it's not in the way of this, because there's a little clip over there that it slides under, so it's supported. But it's such a pain in the butt because you'll have to actually pull the screw off the steering wheel, and there's some bolts that are one-time use. So we ended up doing this way, saving a bunch of time. We didn't even need to take off the paddles, actually. And yeah, I mean, I can recommend this to someone that actually is gentle. If you're not super gentle with it and you're worried about breaking clips on it, and you don't want to, you know, take the risk of massaging it in and whatnot like we did, then obviously do what you will, do it the long way. But I think that this way, if you're confident in what you're doing and you don't want to waste all that extra time, then there's nothing wrong with doing it this way.